Hello, today I will show you how to customize quick launch on VIVO Y36. First, go into settings. Go down and into shortcuts and accessibility. Finally, tap on quick action. Here, after enabling quick action on, you can choose from 5 different features to enable. For the sake of demonstration, I will tap on open camera. Now, if as the description says, when the screen is off, we will need to press and hold the volume down button to activate a certain feature. Now, I hold down the volume down and the camera has turned on. And that's it. Thank you for watching, and please remember to comment, like and subscribe.